Hello, Jan here, and welcome to Forest Bathing 30 Days Nature Tonic, where I take you out into my local woods every day and show you some beautiful places and share with you spring as it unfolds. So, I had to stop here and show you an amazing thing. Having said 2 days ago that there are no bluebell buds, I've just found one. It's very early. I think it's because it's on the south side of this beautiful rotting log. So it's catching the sun, it's sheltered, and I am so happy to see it. It's a landmark of spring. Which means that I can start listening for the cuckoo now, because it's April and the bluebells are here, so the cuckoo won't be far behind. They'll be coming up from Africa now and arriving any day, and when they start to sing, I'll bring you down to listen. It's a wonderful sound. Well, I hope you're keeping well. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.